Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a fully working Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2024. This does not require a jailbreak or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So as you can see, guys, I can walk around the Pokemon world from my house. So this is super cool, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So yes, this is super insane, guys. So let's get right into the tutorial. So the first step, guys, is to go to this website called ZooMods. And once you're there, guys, just type in Pokemon Go. And as you can see, it says Pokemon Go Spoofer, and then download it, and we're going to be all set. So be sure to try it out. See you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super insane and it fully works. So I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, there's no other way to get the Spoofer, so you're screwed. So you better try this method out because it actually works here. As you can see, we got Enhanced Throw, which gives us like 100% catch rate, which is pretty cool. There's tons of settings in this Spoofer, guys. So you have got to try this out for yourself, guys, because it fully works. And there's so much to do inside the Spoofer, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's super cool. As you can see, all the settings you get. Oh my gosh. So be sure to try it out right now while it still works, guys. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, we can like do all this stuff. We got the map, can teleport and everything. So super cool, guys, so be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it fully works, guys, as you can see. So remember, all you gotta do to download this is to go onto this ZooMods website. So let me just show you guys right here, and then just type in Pokemon Go and it should come right up. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. It fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.